Yeah, I'm gonna have tank. You wanna just come here? Where are these guys? He's gonna back into me.
I hope
Well.
he backs into me.
Free bike if he does.
Imagine his card was in there too.
Is he even in there? Someone's in there.
Oh, really?
I don't know why they're blocking this pump.
Because their pump is nasty. Mine. Okay, this mine.
It's one of those paper plates, Evan. And this is mine now. Throw it on the back of your bike.
Get a state trooper to follow. This is who I am.
This is me.
Here, try taking the battery out, putting it back in. There's a little bit of a learning curve to those cameras. Oh my god, bless you, heavens.
Oh wait, the red light was beeping here.
That's progress.
Oh wait, here. This might need to do this.
What's up?
Yes.
Hey, we'll be gone in a second.
What? Is he at you?
Yeah, I think he was beeping at me though.
Yeah, maybe
Well,
don't
don't
park in front of the pump.
Maybe don't park in front of the pump there. Nerd.
We're going inside. Park in the parking
Video
place.
getting out. Uh-oh.
Do something.
He thinks he's cool. You gotta fucking learn.
Dude, it's fucking 12 years old driving. Are you old enough to drive, sir?
What are you doing?
Do you even know where you're at?
He went back into the gas station too. He's probably gonna get out the gas station hot dog he just bought.
These two bikers out there?
3. So look to the right.
Oh, yep. Well, this is it. Nice knowing you, buddy. Dude, this is a content farm out here.
My God.
You're supposed to hit me,
Oh
please.
God, I got a taxi waiting on me.
Here, come over here. Come over here. Let's just block this guy. I'll sit here all night.
Let's freak him out.
I'm a roll. I almost dropped my bike.
Want to compare?
I saw that.
I almost dropped my bike for a
Actually,
bit.
I
Did
didn't
you-
see anything.
Oh my God, tragic.
I almost did drop it for a bit. Okay, Mr. Patrol here.
Oh.
Be cop.
Oh. Let me know when the guy comes back out. He's grabbing more chips. Oh, he's coming back out. He's coming back out. He's coming back out.
Whoa.
It's like the Grinch, like.
Alright, now we're kind of blocking the pump, so maybe we should probably move. But
I feel like.
Now we're the bad guys.
yeah.
Yeah,
But
see, now you look stupid.
right here? I can't get fast enough here.
What, a wheelie?
He wants a wheel.
Try one?
Yo, you wheelie in like 2 feet.
Yeah, no, I'm like, that's a leader bike, dude. I can't wheelie.
I will
got
try.
I'm just horny.
Who's that little kid? I'm gonna go in front of you. I'm gonna go in front.
All
right.
Hold on. Let me. God!
Oh, you're ripping one right here?
This is awkward.
This is bad. This can't be.
There's too many people.
This is not a good idea.
That's a great area.
Come on.